Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix TikTok not showing followers. To do this, you just need to go and open your TikTok account, and of course, if you have this problem, normally your followers number will not be shown, or it will be 0, or it will be number less than the real number of followers that you have. So the first solution that you can do is to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, because sometimes you may have a little problem with your internet connection. So the first thing that you need to check is that, like I told you, switch between Wi-Fi and network connection. And the second solution is to go and try to restart your phone. So restart your phone and maybe also leave it maybe 1 or 2 minutes closed, and after that restart it and open it again. And the third solution is to go to the App Store, or also to the Play Store if you are using Android, and to check that you are using the last version of the application. For example, as you can see here, I need to update TikTok. So if you see this update icon, click on update. And normally, if you try those 3 solutions, your problem will be solved and you will see the real number of your followers. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next